Want your iPhone battery to last longer? Here are 3 settings you should change right now for better battery life. Step 1. Turn off background app. Refresh. Go to Settings. General. Background app. Refresh. Tap Background app refresh again and choose Off. This stops apps from running in the background and using extra power when you're not using them. Step 2. Disable location services for unnecessary apps. Open Settings. Privacy and Security. Location services. Here, scroll through the list and change apps you don't use often to never while using the app. This helps save battery since GPS tracking drains power quickly. Step 3. Turn on auto brightness. Go to Settings. Accessibility. Display and text size. Scroll down and turn on auto brightness. This automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on your surroundings, which can save a lot of battery. After changing these 3 settings, you'll notice your iPhone battery lasting longer throughout the day. And that's it. You've just optimized your iPhone for better battery life. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick iPhone tips.